Good morning, dear kids. Today in this class, we are going to discuss about chapter 3rd, fiber to fabric. This comes under chemistry part. Fiber to fabric is the first chapter of chemistry. Let me ask you one question. What are the three basic needs of life? The three basic needs of life are food, shelter, and clothing. Okay. Why do we wear clothes? We wear clothes to cover our body. Clothes also protect us from weather condition. It also protects us from insect bites. Clothes makes us to look smart and presentable. Yes? Okay. Then in different season we wear different clothes. Then coming to variety of fabric. What is fabric? Fabric is any material of clothes that we use is known as fabric. If you go to any cloth shop, there you can see a variety of fabric such as bedsheet, blankets, curtains, tablecloths, towels, etc. Even your school bags and gunny bags are also made from different kind of fabric. If you take a fabric and see, it appears to be a continuous piece. But when we observe it very closely, we can see that it is made up of hundreds and thousands of yarn that are arranged together in an orderly fashion. Okay, next coming to what is fibers. Fibers are nothing but they are the thin strands of thread that we see are made up of still thinner strands called fibers. Fabric are made up of yarn and yarn are further made up of fibers. Yarn, it can be defined as a long, twisted and continuous strand composed of interlocked fibers which are used in knitting and weaving to form clothes. So you can see that all fabric is made from fiber. It may be natural or synthetic. This fiber is processed and twisted into yarn and then yarn is then woven or knitted into fabric. You can see here fibers that are processed and converted into yarn and then yarn is converted into fabric. Coming to types of fibers. There are mainly two types of fibers. They are natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers are also called as artificial fibers. First we shall see what are natural fibers. Fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Example, cotton, jute, wool and silk. Cotton and jute are obtained from plant fibers. Wool and silk are obtained from animals. Wool is obtained from the fleece of sheep or goat. It is also obtained from the hairs of rabbits, yaks and camel. Silk is drawn from the cocoon of silkworm. Coming to synthetic fibers. Fibers that are made from chemical substance which are not obtained from plants or animal source are called synthetic fibers. Example, polyester, nylon, acrylic. So, fibers which are made from chemicals are called as artificial fibers. Now, we shall discuss some plant fibers. In that, first we shall see cotton. Will you list few uses of cotton wool? Yes, it is used for filling mattresses, quilts or pillows. These cotton plants are usually grown in fields having a warm climate and black soil. Cotton producing Indian states are Punjab, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Maharashtra, etc. Cotton plants usually bears fruits which are of size of a lemon called cotton balls. After maturing, the balls burst open and the seeds covered with cotton fibers can be seen. Cotton is generally picked by hands from these balls. So, dear children, in this class we have discussed about types of fibers as well as about cotton. Thank you.